In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method to funnel in GoHighLevel. We'll connect a payment provider inside your account so checkout pages can accept payments securely. I'll show you exactly where to click and share quick tips to avoid snags. Before we start, make sure you have admin access and the login details for your payment processor. Sign in to your GoHighLevel dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Payments to open the Payments area. At the top, choose the Integrations tab. This is the hub for adding and managing gateways for your location. If you don't see any connections yet, that's normal. This page populates as soon as you link a provider. If you manage multiple locations, check the location selector at the top and switch into the correct workspace so the integration is saved where you intend to take payments. On the integrations page, click More Providers to expand the list. You'll see options like Stripe, PayPal, and authorized .NET, plus other supported gateways. Pick the service that aligns with how you plan to charge customers. Stripe is a popular all-in-one choice for cards and wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. PayPal is best if your buyers prefer paying with their PayPal balance. Authorized .NET is ideal when your merchant account is with a bank or legacy processor. Select the provider you want to use in your funnels. Click Connect on the provider you chose. A secure window will prompt you to sign in and authorize the connection. Follow the steps, confirm your business details, and grant permissions. When you return to GoHighLevel, you may be asked to click Connect or Confirm again. Do that to finalize the link. If your processor offers test and live modes, be sure you're connecting the live account before you take real orders. Two-factor authentication may be required by your provider, so have your verification method handy. After connecting, the provider will show as active under Payments in the Integrations tab. From now on, your funnels and order forms can use this payment method at checkout. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Double-check currency and deposit settings inside the processor, then run a quick test purchase in a draft funnel to verify everything end-to-end. You can connect more than one provider if your business needs it, for example, keeping Stripe for cards while also offering PayPal as an alternative. Just repeat the same connection flow for each service. That's it. Your payment method is connected and ready for your GoHighLevel funnels.